What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked, bringing you another mask video. Now I have 3 masks I want to show you today, but there's also something very special about these particular masks. I actually made these for a good friend of mine and a fellow YouTuber by the name of Undead Survivor, who is currently working on a short film. And he needed a few masks for some of the characters. So he had sent me a few sketches and asked if there was something I could do to help out with the film. And I was more than happy to oblige. So based on his sketches, I created these 3 masks. Now the first mask here is called the Jigsaw Slasher. Now based on his description, he wanted a tan and brown mask with brown straps, with excessive damage throughout the mask. Now being as this is the Jigsaw Slasher, I went ahead and added a few jigsaw pieces. Now the two-tone brown really made it stand out from the other 2 masks, and it almost had a carbon fiber look. Now I do think this mask actually turned out pretty well, and I might actually make a few more of these in the future. Now the second mask I made here, again based on one of his drawings, was called the Executioner mask. With its pale white look, with gray accents, and quite a few check marks all over the mask indicating each kill he has made, with room for a few more. I added a little bit of blood splatter to the side of the mask, just to kind of give it some character, and overall this mask has a really ominous look. And to be totally honest, I might actually make one for myself, because the mask is just too cool not to. Now the last mask I made for him, I'm going to keep the name a secret, but overall based on his design and sketch, I think I did it justice. I did add a little bit of blood to it to really make this mask look pretty scary. Navy green in tint, with scuff marks and damage all over the place, and quite a bit of blood. I did put some black mesh over one of the eyes, again to give it that really creepy vibe. Now you may not be able to tell from this video, but the strap is actually serrated and damaged pretty badly. Now all in all, these 3 masks that I made are the type of masks that I actually love to do. Now don't get me wrong, making a Jason mask from the movies is pretty cool, but really being creative and creating something that no one else has done is one thing that I really love to do. Okay, if you want to see Undead Survivor do an unboxing video of these 3 masks, I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description below so you can see his reactions when he opens them up for the first time. And while you're there, if you like his content, please subscribe to his channel. Alright everybody, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.